You love your motorcycle, but do you love the way you feel when you get off your bike? Aches, pain, pinched nerves, and fatigue are all really common, especially after a long ride. But why is that? Mainly because motorcycle seat design hasn't changed since the beginning of motorcycles. Sure, modern manufacturing uses better materials, but the basic design has remained the same until now. Exclusive independent suspension technology, otherwise referred to as IST, is the first major advance in motorcycle seat designs to help relieve pressure points, road shock, and pain for riders and passengers. No other company has anything like this, and it's going to change the way you ride a motorcycle. You're probably wondering how IST works. What makes our seats so different from the rest? It starts with the seat pan, the hard part of the seat that attaches to the bike. Traditional seats have a solid pan with a foam topping and a cover. That's it. So what's between your body and the hard pan? Nothing but some leather or some fabric and a couple inches of foam. In a regular motorcycle seat, most of your body weight ends up on your sit bones or your ischial tuberosities if you want to get technical. If you hit a bumpy road or you bottom out, your sit bones take most of the impact. It's like riding a jackhammer, especially if the road is rough. Our seats are different. We put cutouts in this pan underneath where your sit bones will be. We cover the cutouts with a thin, flexible plastic membrane that works like a trampoline, so your body glides with the bike instead of being thrown against it over and over again. We don't stop with just the standard foam cushion either. We also add our patented Airhawk air cell pad to the mix. These two technologies work together to cushion your body from the vibration of the bike and the bumps on the road. And the Airhawk pad improves ventilation. That means less heat and moisture building up while you ride. Finally, IST combined with Airhawk distributes the body weight evenly across the seat. That means no more uncomfortable hot spots or pressure points or numbness from the pinched nerves. IST is a patented technology. Again, no other company has anything like it. So think about it for a minute. Which sounds better? A jackhammer or a trampoline? Ready to ride longer, enjoy your ride more? Join the thousands of other customers who have given rave reviews on sites like Amazon and Facebook. We use only the finest materials, and we guarantee you'll be able to ride longer with less pain on a race seat. Visit us online to find the perfect seat for your bike today.